Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how to make DIY cards for Friendship Day. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for the first one, take a colored paper and draw the shape as shown and cut it out. Now take another colored paper and draw a heart and cut it out. So here I am using a homemade Fevicol, and if you want to know how to make it, comment down below in the comment section. Now paste the heart as shown in the video. And after pasting the heart, cut the extra paper left. Now write any code or message and decorate it as you want. And now it's ready. Now for the second one, take a colored paper, put your hand like this and outline the shape and cut it out. And like the first one, write any code or message and decorate as you want, or just follow as shown. And it's ready. Now for the third one, take a white sheet and cut small portions as shown. Now follow the same procedure as shown in the video. Now to make it more amazing, stick it on a colored sheet. And now just decorate it. And it's ready.